Apple just shocked the tech world again. The iPhone 18 Pro Max leaks are here, and they're not just small upgrades. These changes could completely destroy the iPhone 17 Pro Max. We're talking about a radical new liquid metal design, record-breaking 0.8mm bezels, a futuristic under-display Face ID system, and a next-gen micro-OLED panel hitting 3,500 nits of brightness. This isn't just another iPhone, it could mark the biggest leap in iPhone history. In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 leaks that make the iPhone 18 Pro Max the most shocking upgrade yet. Apple's iPhone lineup has always been at the heart of the tech world, sparking conversations, leaks, and endless excitement every single year. With the iPhone 17 Pro Max still fresh in the hands of users, you might think it's too early to start looking ahead. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. But the truth is, the leaks around the iPhone 18 Pro Max are already here, and they're nothing short of shocking. If the rumors are true, Apple's 2026 flagship isn't just going to refine the smartphone experience, it's going to completely destroy the iPhone 17 Pro Max in almost every way. From groundbreaking design changes to futuristic performance boosts, this device could mark one of the biggest leaps in iPhone history. And today, we're breaking down the top 5 leaks that are sending shockwaves across the industry. The first leak that's grabbing everyone's attention is a massive design overhaul. For years, Apple has stuck with the flat-edged, stainless steel and titanium builds that began with the iPhone 12 and evolved into the iPhone 15 and beyond. But reports from Apple's supply chain suggest that the iPhone 18 Pro Max is set to debut with a radical new design philosophy. Instead of sticking to incremental refinements, Apple may be going for a slimmer, lighter, and more futuristic body crafted from aerospace-grade liquid metal alloy. This material, which has been rumored for over a decade, could finally be making its way into an iPhone, offering unmatched durability while keeping the device incredibly lightweight. Early concept leaks show that the bezels are expected to shrink even further, possibly making the iPhone 18 Pro Max the closest thing yet to a true all-screen smartphone. Insiders claim Apple is pushing for bezels as thin as 0.8mm, breaking records in the smartphone industry. The effect would be a nearly immersive display experience, where the boundaries between hardware and content almost disappear. Compared to the iPhone 17 Pro Max, which already impressed with its refined titanium design and slightly smaller bezels, the iPhone 18 Pro Max could feel like a glimpse of the future, a device that feels more like a piece of glass and light than a phone. Of course, the design changes don't stop with just the bezels. Rumors point to Apple rethinking the camera housing, possibly integrating the lenses more seamlessly into the body of the phone, eliminating the pronounced camera bump that has been a point of criticism for years. Some insiders even suggest Apple is exploring a flush rear camera system powered by advanced periscope and under-display lens technology. If that pans out, the iPhone 18 Pro Max could look sleeker and more futuristic than any iPhone that came before it. Another shocking element of this first leak is the possibility of a fully under-display Face ID system. The iPhone 17 Pro Max introduced refinements to the dynamic island, making it smaller and more efficient, but it's still a visible cutout on the screen. Apple appears to be ready to take the next big step by hiding the entire Face ID array beneath the display, leaving users with an uninterrupted full-screen experience.